Yeah. Yeah. There's a whisper in the pine trees when the cold wind starts to fade. A gentle light on old dirt roads at the breaking of the day. No sirens in the distance, and no shadows chasing dreams. Just a heart that finally settles like a river to the sea. And the world don't feel so heavy when the silence starts to sing. I hear the sound of peace tonight in the quiet moonlit sky, in the stillness of a tired soul, finally learning how to fly. No anger, no pain, no fighting in me, just a breath between the waves. Sometimes the loudest kind of love is the silence that remains. Yeah, it's a child asleep beside you. It's the stars on country roads. It's forgiveness in the mirror, letting go of what you hold. It's the pause between the heartbeats, where the fear begins to fade. Like heaven softly calling, everything will be okay. And the darkness loses power when the silence starts to sing. I hear the sound of peace tonight in the quiet moonlit sky, in the stillness of a tired soul, finally learning how to fly. No anger, no pain, no fighting in me, just a breath between the waves. Sometimes the loudest kind of love is the silence that remains. No thunder rolling through my mind, no tears left in the rain, just a calm I cannot explain, washing over all the pain. I hear the sound of peace tonight, like the dawn after goodbye. And the silence isn't empty now, it's where healing comes alive. No fear, no change, no sorrow to keep, just the earth beneath my feet. And the sweetest song I've ever known is the sound of peace in me.